Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking No Rules channel. Today we are going to be making rose syrup hot chocolate. The ingredients are 1 cup cream, 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of rose syrup. Now keep the pan and turn the heat on medium flame. Now add the cream. Next, add the milk. Mix well, keep mixing. Next, add in the cocoa powder. Mix well, keep mixing. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. The smell of the cocoa will be very amazing. Keep mixing. Now turn off the flame and add in the rose syrup. The smell will be amazing. Mix well. Keep mixing. The smell is very amazing. Now pour into cups. Now the rose syrup hot chocolate is ready. Enjoy!